Filmora Export Logo. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search this tutorial because they want to export animated or static logos from Wondershare Filmora in formats like MP4, GIF, or PNG. To begin this tutorial, make sure you have downloaded Wondershare Filmora 15 on your device before starting the tutorial. Then, double-click the application to open it, and wait until the main menu appears completely on your screen. After it opens, go to the top right corner and click Open Project to access one of your saved editing projects. Next, select one of the projects that contains the logo you want to export from Filmora. Then, click Open to load the project into the workspace and wait until all media files appear properly inside the timeline. After that, you can play the video first to preview the logo animation and make sure the result already looks correct before exporting the file. Go to the top right corner and click the Export button to continue the exporting process. Then, you can adjust the title, but in this example, it is left the same as the project name for convenience and easier file identification later. Next, locate the Format section inside the Export Settings menu because this section determines the final file type of the exported logo. You can change the format. For example, if you want to export the logo as a GIF file for animated web content or simple social media usage. You can also export the logo as a PNG image file if you only need a still image version without animation. In this example, MP4 format is selected because the logo contains animation and video format works better for smooth motion playback. You can adjust the other settings according to your needs. If everything already feels suitable, click the Export button to begin rendering the logo file from the project. Wait until the export process is completely finished before opening or moving the exported file. Then, click the small folder icon on the screen. The folder containing the exported file will open automatically. The process to export a logo in Filmora has been completed successfully.